Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. So far this year, I've been blaming the weather for not getting out to shoot new videos. This week, my Jeep had other plans and needed some work. So we're revisiting a pretty cool place, Andrew, Alberta. A charming little town nestled in the heart of Lamont County, just 105 kilometers northeast of Edmonton. Andrew is the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. As you drive through the scenic countryside, you'll find yourself surrounded by vast fields and rolling hills. The town itself is small, but full of character, with a population of around 485 friendly folks. Andrew is known for its unique roadside attraction, the world's largest mallard duck statue. Erected by the Andrew Lions Club to honor the local duck breeding grounds, this quirky landmark stands proudly, symbolizing the town's connection to nature and its surrounding wetlands. Andrew's history is deeply rooted in agriculture, with a strong Ukrainian heritage evident in local cultural events and architecture. Visitors often enjoy exploring the Andrew Museum, which offers insight into the town's history and development over the decades. For those seeking outdoor activities, Andrew provides access to several picturesque parks and trails, making it a pleasant stop for nature enthusiasts. The town hosts annual events that celebrate its cultural diversity and agricultural background, drawing visitors from across the region. And let's not forget about the cozy cafes and local eateries that offer a taste of the area's culinary traditions. So whether you're here for a day trip or a longer stay, Andrew offers a warm and welcoming atmosphere that invites you to relax and explore at your own pace. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can find Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.